Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert picture into another picture in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see insert picture into another picture. Now you go into the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. That is. Now you can see. Now we open the picture. Now click from tick mark option. Now we show the open picture into the another picture. Now we going to the again file menu option. Then click. Now click from open and place option. Now find your picture. Now click for select from picture. Now click for open option. Now resize your picture. Now click for tick mark option. Now click from layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from clipping marks option. That it's. Now you can see insert picture into another picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.